study the Hangzhou University of Hong Kong. My major is finance and banking, and I just finished my sophomore year, and I'm going to be junior. I input the bill information into the company-specific software, and I organize the invoices, and also create budget tables. Yeah, that's I do accounting in this company. Yeah. This company is a non-profit, community-based organization, and because I do accounting here, because I'm consider maybe I will transfer my major in my further study, and I want to gain more job experience about accounting, so I pick this company. FUSIA provides a good opportunity for me to experience New York's life and internship experience, because it's my first time to internship, and FUSIA also provides some activities like visit bank, also travel in other cities like Boston or Washington. When you face the difficulties, don't be scared for asking for help, because people in the companies are kind and helpful, so don't be scared. They bridge cultures, embrace adventure. Your American journey starts here.